Alright everybody, I am Eric with Eric's Excursions. Today I want to take a deeper look into America's past presidential history. So let's take a close look and see what kind of things we can find. Come join me. So the Hall of Presidents over here at Magic Kingdom is a great attraction because it gives you some of the history of our previous United States presidents, including our current one. And here we're looking at our 7th president, Andrew Jackson, from 1829 to 1837. And I actually have been in his house in Tennessee. It was quite an experience I'll never forget. And here we're taking a look at Woodrow Wilson's golf club. And we got Jimmy Carter's fishing gear. And here we're looking at Franklin Roosevelt's hanging shelf, 1925. And you got President Obama's basketball, has the presidential seal on it. Here we're looking at George Washington's shoe buckles from 1797. We got Thomas Jefferson's pocket watch. (1780). Benjamin Harrison's razor, 1889. And we got Richard Nixon's key to Disneyland. And that was given to him by Walt Disney. And here we're taking a look at a scale and weights that belonged to James Monroe. We got Franklin Roosevelt's fishing reel with box. Martin Van Buren memorial brooch. Here we're looking at a bust of Andrew Jackson. We've got Ronald Reagan, George Washington, and Thomas Jefferson. And George Washington, our first president, he served from 1789 to 1797. And here we're looking at an outfit that belonged to Eleanor Rosalind Smith Carter, Jimmy Carter's wife. And she lived from 1927 to 2023. And here's an evening gown that belonged to Dolly Madison. She lived from 1768 to 1849. She was the First Lady of the United States. Married to President James Madison. That's her evening gown from 1810 that we just took a look at. So the Hall of Presidents pays tribute to the presidents of the United States. Really great attraction, as I stated earlier. Well worth it. If you're ever in the area, please come check it out. Alright, so I'm going to finish out this video with the Liberty Tree. This tree is over 100 years old. It was transplanted here, and it was one of the first trees. Actually, this tree was here before anything else was built up. So that was pretty interesting. A cast member had told me about that. And so yeah, it's pretty nice, pretty neat. So it's been here before the park was even built. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today on this quick little historic trip, taking a look at some of our presidents from the past, our presidential past history. So thanks for joining me, guys. Until next time.
What's up, vlog?
Have a good night, or a good day, or a good morning, whatever time you're watching this.